Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to remove a Tahoe door panel. To begin, gather your essential tools. You'll need a small pick tool or a flat blade screwdriver to carefully pry off trim pieces. A 7mm socket, a ratchet, and an extension are crucial for removing bolts. Additionally, a plastic automotive panel removal tool will help prevent damage to your door panel during the process. Having these items ready makes the job much smoother. Now, let's start by removing the trim pieces. Use your pick tool or flat blade screwdriver to gently pry off the small trim panel located behind the door handle. Next, remove the trim panel found inside the door pull. Behind these, you'll find bolts. Remove the single 7mm bolt behind the door handle and then the two 7mm bolts within the door pull. Also, check for and remove any 7mm bolts along the bottom edge of the panel. With all the visible bolts removed, it's time to release the panel clips. Start at the bottom innermost corner of the door panel. Insert your plastic panel removal tool and gently pry outwards to pop the first clip. Work your way around the perimeter, carefully releasing each clip. Once all clips are detached, lift the entire door panel straight up. This action disengages the panel from the top edge of the door frame, allowing it to separate. Almost there. With the panel loose, you'll need to disconnect the remaining connections. First, detach the door latch cable from the interior door handle. This usually involves releasing a small clip and then unhooking the cable. Next, unplug all electrical wiring harnesses connected to the window switch and any other components. Once these are free, you can carefully remove the entire door panel. To reinstall, simply reverse these steps, ensuring all clips and bolts are securely fastened.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.